Good day, shaving cadre. Barber Dave's Barber Shop at home. Hope everybody's doing well. Thought I'd do a quick shave as part of my Sunday, Monday, Tuesday video series. I'll let you know what I'm using at the end of the shave. But this is absolutely a stunt shave because this is the first shave with my contact lenses. So actually I can actually see what I'm shaving, which could be a bad thing. It could be a good thing. They are a little bit odd to deal with because they're, you know, it feels like you have something in your eye. And but I can see the screen, I can see the mirror, and everything else. Obviously, the one thing you do see is I'm using the Sorrentino TSC first anniversary brush. And that'll give you a hint of what I'm using, because those of you that know me know that I usually color code my shaves. Okay. Are using the Vector with a feather blade. I think it's the second go around on this one. Wow. So this is what it's like to see your face when you're shaving. Well, there's a novel concept. You can actually see stuff. Will that translate to a better shave? Or maybe it will translate to a new BBS status. BBS NB, BBS non-blind. Wow, I can actually see stuff. This is pretty cool. So I hope everybody's doing well. We had a great Zoom call last night. Sorry we missed, let me see, who'd we miss? Ed, C. Vargo, who else didn't make it? Don. But good conversation, a little bit shorter than most because I think everybody was getting ready for dinner. But Bruce was there and a couple other people, and it was fun. We did find out one thing, and I won't mention any names. We did take a tour of a shave museum. And like I said, I won't mention any names, but a new custom title may be in the works, and that custom title would be, if it was made for shaving and I don't have it, it doesn't exist. It was truly impressive. And the scary thing is I've known this member probably longer than anybody. And I had known a lot of the stuff that we saw, but that didn't even scratch the surface. So I made the suggestion that he could start the International Shave Museum, like they have the International Barber Museum in Columbus, Ohio, and then charge tours. I'm sure if you think about it hard enough, you probably can figure out who I'm talking about, but not to embarrass that person, I won't. He may end up with a custom title though, and I kind of like that. So if anybody has any ideas for a custom title with this subject matter of as far as shaving's concerned, if they made it and you don't see it, or actually I have it, and if not, they didn't make it. Or if I don't have it, it doesn't exist. Because I would say that was probably pretty, that's probably be pretty close. Getting a tad bit of irritation from the soap today, but I think that's because I am still healing from the nighttime candle shave that Eucharist tore me up over. So far the contacts are good. I'm having a little bit of an issue getting them in and out, but I guess that's a normal procedure until you get used to how to take them in and out on a regular basis. Okay, 3 passes in and out. And being able to see is amazing. Tad bit, I said a tad bit of irritation, but I think that the aftershave should fix that, I hope. And as you, I'm sure you probably guessed, CBL, Ethos, Dragon's Beard, Fresh Lime. Perfect for a day like today. Today's our last hot day for a while. Now, when I say hot, obviously I mean relatively hot, because I think we're supposed to be 109 today. And then we're supposed to have a cooling trend where temperatures will be in the 101 to 103 range. Then we actually could get down to 100 or below. Okay, using the Ethos Fresh Lime Skinfood. And yeah, my face is wanting a lot of it, which I figured. And like I said, with the Ethos stuff, I don't think there's a closer lime scent, frankly. It's just tremendous. We're going to be using the borrowed towel. Actually, you know what? No, we use the Parasso Rosemary and Mint today, as it pairs well with the lime. Now, I don't know how the talc's going to affect my contacts. I didn't think about that, but I'm trying to keep my eyes closed during that period of application. Okay. And then we'll do a little bit of the Royal Mandarin, or excuse me, the Royal Lime Cologne. And that's it. Normally I'd put my glasses on here and say thank you for being a part of the cadre, but I don't need to do that because I've got my contacts in. So, as always, thank you for being part of the cadre. If you haven't visited us before, please do so at www.theshavingcadre.com. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday, and we'll see you Wednesday for the Wednesday night Zoom call. Take care, everyone.